Here IGBT MOSFET inverter panel PE6. This panel having IGBT block and MOSFET block. Along with this, one LM3525 PWM controller having two outputs and one frequency selector switch low and high. Also this having one chopper and inverter selection switch. Here is protection kit for inverter or chopper experiment. Here two drives are there. One of is non-isolated drive and another one is isolated drive. Along with this, one PPI controller block is also available with PPI and external selection switch and one damper selection switch. Another PWM block is available here and one level shifter, bipolar to TTL converter level shifter is also available in this panel. By configuring different blocks, we can perform different experiments. Here is the manual for P6. Now here we can perform different types of experiments for chopper and inverter. Now here we will perform here chapter number P6.2 MOSFET based chopper buck. Chapter number 6.2 MOSFET based chopper buck. Here is unit objective, discussion of fundamentals, how the waveform and the circuit works here, chopper waveform, pure DC waveform, and here chopper waveform. Some theory is given in this manual and here is the wiring sequence. Positive, DC ammeter positive. Goes to ammeter positive. DC ammeter negative goes to 23. DC ammeter negative goes to 23. 24 goes to 15. 24 goes to 15. All connections are done as per the wiring sequence. Here is the procedure. Now here we have taken 10 ohm resistance as a load, HW3 switch at selector chopper position, frequency selection switch at low side, frequency pot in CCW anti-clockwise, duty cycle pot P2 in clockwise direction, make the mains on. Now here duty cycle control pot is at clockwise and here we are getting the output waveform across the load. Now we will change the duty cycle. As we change the duty cycle, our MOSFET based chopper buck experiment is working. Another is keep this frequency selection switch at high side. Again change duty cycle control pot. Here we are getting control on output DC voltage. This is MOSFET based chopper buck.